Amitos, first of all, thank you so much for accepting our invite to be guest to this program. And this is to inspire people who are looking forward to join the direction department in FTI or SRFTI Pune, because once they qualify the written exam, they really do not know what will happen in the orientation. So it will be really great help to many of them, because so far we have sent everybody's interview in terms of various departments, but the direction department was missing. And I
Yeah.
just checked today the PDF file which I downloaded on that particular day when the result was declared, that you was the overall first position holder of the merit list, right?
I was I benefited from the scholarship as well.
Great.
So
So
no
congratulations for
qualms
that.
about that.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
congratulations for that, because it's also some kind of financial support beside being a prestige, being a topper. So many of the students who would be qualifying the written exam, where normally the ratio is 1:4. So what exactly happens in FTI on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5? So this is my brief. Please carry on.
Uh, it's pretty interesting that this is the timing that I've been called because it's been exactly 1 year. I remember that we completed our orientation somewhere between 10th and 16th of June
Correct.
in 2019.
Yeah.
And the pandemic is kind of stuck in a limbo. But so once you go there, there is this entire procedure which takes 3 days.
Okay.
So 3 days is the procedure through which you are going to go through, in which you are going to sit down and you're going to actively write.
Okay.
And that those 3 days of writing, and which culminates in one 3 shot exercise where you need to take 3 shots and try to build a story or a narrative out of it.
Okay.
So all that culminates into one final interaction with the faculty about one of the writing exercises. So
So
the
just
first
tell
day
me,
you go there.
how does it
Yeah,
begin when your documents are being checked, your medical test is being done?
yeah, yeah.
So
So
how does it
the
begin
first
first day?
the first day is basically you'd go there, you will be briefed about what's going to happen, you present your documents, and obviously there'll be a lot of drama regarding the documents because there always is. And so yeah, you'd go through that, you'd pay for your medical, they take you to get the medical check done.
Sure.
Then you'll come back, and that is basically the first day. The first day is just document verification and the medical exam.
Okay.
Then you go through the second day, you sit down, and then the writing exercises start.
So this
So
writing exercise starts is that they give you some kind of a brief or a topic. Is it a kind of exercise in which you are supposed to write a short story or develop a short script of, say, for example, 30 seconds or 1 minute? What exactly they ask you to do?
yeah, so there are multiple writing exercises that take place during the next 2 days. Um, One of them is, of course, writing a short story, they'll give one tagline. So that is with my orientation. Of course, it'll change every time.
So what
But
was the tagline in your case when you appeared last year?
yeah, so there was this exercise that we had to do where we were given a situation. So there was a space and a time given to us. So like a desolate road on a hill in the evening. This is one. This is an example of how this tagline goes, and then
Okay.
you have to build a story around it.
So was this tagline different for the different groups, or was the
Yeah,
same for everybody?
it's different. It's different for a lot of groups. So you'd get multiple taglines, and different people would write different situations accordingly.
Okay.
One of the exercises which I really enjoyed was, I think during the third part of the first day, we were actually given an audio clip.
Okay.
There was this soundtrack of almost 10 minutes
Okay.
where we were beginning to, uh, incorporate the idea of how does audio work in our visual image.
Okay.
So there was this clip made, and then we were told to write 10 short narratives about connected or interconnected or intraconnected or not connected at all, but at least 10 narratives about what you think the soundtrack represents. So
Okay.
that visual imagery, that sense of visual imagery was pretty much intact. Another one of the exercises was we were shown a short clip
Okay.
from uh, one films from I think Michelangelo Antonioni,
Okay.
and that not everyone knew which director and which film was
Right.
that from.
Correct.
No one is supposed to.
Sure.
Uh, so our idea was to interpret and describe
Was
the
this clip?
images that we
I
were
just
shown.
interrupt. Was this clip was from a feature film which Antonioni directed, or was a short?
Yeah,
It was a
no,
part
it
of a
was
book.
an extra. Yeah, it was a part of a feature film that Antonioni directed.
And what was the question based on that?
No, so we just had to interpret it according to our, you know. So this is the thing about I think a lot of direction
No.
people at the end.
When they said that you interpret it, so was you supposed to write what is your understanding of that clip?
Yeah, we had to, of course, we have to interpret the time, space, audio, visual, and how does it build into what he's trying to convey. So of course, Antonioni being the hardcore Marxist director he is. So
Sure.
if you recognize that path, then it becomes not everyone should and not everyone would recognize the film for what it means to be and
True.
what its socio cultural and historical context is. But yeah, so it works accordingly.
And
And
how long did they show that particular clipping?
they showed that clip to us, I think, thrice. It was a 20-minute clip, I suppose.
20-minute
And they
clip
showed it,
and three times.
yeah, almost. I'm not pretty sure. It's a little hazy in my
Okay.
memory.
Yeah.
But yeah, they showed it to us more than once, of course.
Okay.
And we were given. So this is the thing when you're writing this much now, and this is what we have been explained as well after starting our journey at FTI is that you need to get into the habit of writing because within those 2 days you're writing the entire time. So after we have been shown the clip, there is a so the word limit is 3,000 words and the time you've been given is what 1.5 hours.
Okay.
So to even push yourself to that extent that even if you can write a 5-page, 6-page essay
True.
in an hour
True.
with the visual and the oral image of what there is in front of you, it
Correct.
already becomes a streamlined sense in your head of how it means to be and what cinema means to be in that sense.
So was it supposed to be a kind of appreciation you were supposed to write from that
Yeah,
thing?
yeah,
Basically.
of course. I mean, the clipping one was, of course, appreciation and interpretation and how
Correct.
it's like a review almost that all of us read every day. Not all of them are good, I suppose,
Sure.
but
But at
yeah.
least you
So
could
so the
pinpoint number one, two, three, four.
yeah.
These are the things which you have understood.
Yeah, so at the end of the day, this is I think this conflict
Yeah.
that appreciation in itself has with the filmmaker in itself, that gives you a sort of that gives you a sort of path to
Correct.
follow because as a critic, the job is I think I suppose job is a little more harder because you have to justify each and every word that you write
True.
in the eyes of a broader context, but it's also a little unfair, I suppose, if I can say that, because sometimes not everything that you want to convey would come through in the manner it's supposed to,
Correct.
and therefore it becomes it's a conflict. It's always going to be a conflict.
Yeah.
So each profession depends on the
So
other.
when you people write down all these writing exercises, did you hand it over to them, or you were everybody will supposed to read what he has written, and then there would be a discussion? What exactly used to happen after your writing process is over? There.
No, so this is the difference that FTI and SRFTI in their orientations have, which is that FTI does not do now does not do the interaction part. So you write, you submit, and then they read it and they decide it later. So everything that you have written, that reflects in the one interaction with faculty that you do right before the final interview that there is with some external faculty. So that portion at FTI, I don't think was there. And I mean, it's okay because you're writing so much, you don't really want after a point of time. And it's also about that. So I don't know how to justify it, but FTI didn't do the interaction portion. But yeah, a lot of my friends who did go to SRFTI's orientation, the SRFTI people did make them write and then interact and discuss with their films.
So during these 3 days, was there any kind of except these exercises which they gave you, like some audio clip they gave you to listen and write the visuals accordingly, and they also shown the Antonio. Now you could have figured it out. What was that film of the Antonioni which they showed?
Yeah, yeah,
So
we did.
yeah. So what was the film actually? I'm just curious.
I am not sure what was the film because I
Black and
still
white film.
don't remember. Uh,
La
uh,
Note, La Eclipse,
I think it was Lyclips.
La
Yeah,
Eclipse.
I think it was Lyclips.
Maybe.
That was this one very non-diegetic sequence from Lyclips where
Okay.
everything is just going haywire. And of course, when you talk about Antonioni and Marxist, so that verification of space, the emptiness of space,
True.
and just people interacting with this space and being among them, and that observer's eye,
Sure.
it's very peculiar. You know that this is
True.
Antonioni.
There was a joke in FTI in our time also. There was a boy called Shobit Jain. So whenever there's a film of any diploma film of any student and you don't see people on the street and it's empty, so we used to call it as the Antonioni style of shot taking. So it became a kind of a reference point. But anyway, that was
Yeah,
due respect. He has his
that
own
does
style.
happen.
Correct. So coming to these 3 days of activities, so was there any kind of interaction? How did they judge you from your in terms of your interaction? Because it is a writing, everybody is writing, and what they are writing nobody knows. So was there any
Yeah.
kind of a interaction with faculty also during an FTI? Any kind of in which you speak on something which they ask you?
Yeah, so this is the second day after your writing exercises are done. So there is this final writing exercise which involves the story writing one where you have to write a short story
On a theme
depending
given
on,
by them,
yeah, so on a theme given by them.
and there will be
And then,
different themes, or there will be only single
yeah,
theme.
almost different themes for almost everyone, I suppose. So when that writing exercise concludes, that is where you move forward. So the entire time you're sitting there, one by one, people go inside the office, and then there is this personal interaction with the HOD and all the faculties there,
So how
and of
many
course
people are
the
there
external
who are
faculty.
interacting with you when you are submitting your project exercise?
Uh, it depends. I mean, sometimes there'd be 3 or 4 people sitting, which involves the teachers and the external faculty.
Okay,
Sometimes there might not be. Sometimes there'd be the external faculty and the HOD himself.
okay.
So
So who
the
was the
interaction takes
external
place
faculty
later.
in your time who came over there as an outside expert?
It was Mr. Siddhant Sinha.
Okay, okay, okay.
He he is also. I mean, I don't remember which batch he's from, but I remember his diploma film Udhed Bun
Udair Bhai.
was one of the first Bhojpuri diplomas from FTI, which also won the, I think, Silver Bear at Berlinale.
Must be, must
So
be.
all of us were pretty
So
astounded by
was
the.
there was a different person who was in the interview board, or Siddhant was there also in the interview board also?
No, he was there as the external faculty for the rest of the days, and then there was this one big faculty that has to come on the
Who
final
is
day
that
of the
fellow?
personal interview. Uh, on the final day, I remember there was R. Balki sir.
R. Balki. Okay, okay.
So
Chini
R.
Kamen.
Balki sir came, yeah, for the final interview, which is the interview, which
Interview.
people suppose. So the interview was done by R. Balki sir, a faculty member, and some people. I mean, a lot. There was a big panel there.
Okay. And how much time did they give you in the interview to talk about what they asked? There are two things: timing and what kind of questions were asked in the interview.
So I think it's different for everyone. The time in the final interview, sometimes you can get out in 15 minutes, and it can be both a good and a bad sign. I'm
Okay.
not sure how to put that,
Okay.
but sometimes it takes a little longer because the interaction goes forward, and there's a lot of uh, there's a lot of things that unearth within you while talking to a
Sure.
panel as big as such. So
Correct.
it's a lot about confidence, I think, in the interview then and there, because you have to make sure you present yourself in a poised manner. You can't be fluttering about. uh, so yeah, the questions are not what you expect they'd be. For the people going into the interview, the questions would be very personal, very simple. what do you do, what have you done, what's your background been. And if you do go down to that background path, then they start to ask you why this, why that, and it's a very standard interview procedure, I suppose.
True.
But then it becomes fun when you talk about the art, the craft, cinema in itself. I mean, all of us there who'd make it till there, of course, would be for the love of cinema. I mean, none of us are there
And
because
how
we.
much was the maximum time somebody, because all 40 are on the same
Yeah,
platform. So how much time maximum somebody took for the interview while uh,
suppose it was
no,
40 minutes, I think.
40 minutes.
40,
So it can
45
go up
minutes.
to 40
Yeah.
minutes also if it is interest them.
Yeah. Yeah. If it interests them, or if they are really, really trying to milk someone out.
Okay.
I
Correct.
mean, that's completely up to the panel, and
True.
that's not something you can figure out in an instant. But yeah, I
True.
suppose, because I remember my interview was 15 to 20 minutes, I think, at maximum.
Okay. Okay.
And we talked a lot about my background and what did I do before and how did I come into cinema
Okay. So
and
my
what do I
other
read.
question is, during these 3 days of writing exercise and your interaction, is there any some kind of marking given to each exercises and faculty evaluate that marking in the overall presentation to the final interview panelist?
I suppose they might, but we'd never know about it at FTI because we are of course marked according to what the writing exercises are. And
Correct.
then the second day we do that 3 shot exercise which I was talking about, which everyone is divided into groups and then you are given a
So
camera
this
and then you
three short
work with 3 shots.
exercises which you're talking about, is it you write something and then you execute that in 3 shots, or they ask you to do anything which will convey through those 3 shots? What was exactly that
No, so we literally we write, we storyboard the basic 3 shots we need to
okay.
convey uh,
idea?
any sort of idea or theme that we want to.
Okay,
And those 3 shots we write, we storyboard in the simplest form of manner. They're not expecting a
correct.
professional graded storyboard. So we write that, we shoot that, of course, with everyone else. We take so there is a group that will of course that is of course there to help you. You're
How many
given a
groups?
basic
How many
camera.
students are there in that group who shot one three shot exercise?
I think there was so by the end by the time we were shooting 3 shot exercises, there were 30 people. So
Okay.
they were groups of five, I think, five groups with 6 people in them.
And every director is supposed to handle his own camera, or you get some help from some senior
We
cinematographer?
get some basic help from the camera department
Okay,
who give us the camera, and the our help is there.
correct.
But yeah, you don't exactly have to handle it, and they're not
This is
expecting
static
professional.
basically idea.
Yeah, so yeah, that is the rule. Even
Okay,
even after getting into FTI, the rule is you have to do static shots
true.
without the maximum you can go is, I think, yeah, I remember in my 3 shot at orientation, static shot was the game.
Okay,
So 3 static shots, basic shots.
okay.
And
So you edit them into the camera itself, or you can retake also and edit them later on and submit it to them.
no, we don't even edit it on the camera. We take these 3 shots and then so they see it in continuation. We don't make a film out of the 3 shots.
Correct, correct.
So it's a extensive evaluation procedure there.
Sure. So what time the routine day start for the orientation and what time it wraps up?
The first day is a little tricky when you're getting your documents and
Yeah,
everything done. So
that's basic nonsense.
it's,
Forget about it. Talk about the main part, which is
the second day
like,
we started around I think 9 o'clock, 9 in the morning,
okay,
and then it goes around till 12. There are, I suppose, 9 to 11. Then there's a little break of 10 minutes. Then we go around from 11 till lunch. Then from lunch till the evening. So somewhere around it wraps up around 5:35. If the exercises do wrap up and the people do wrap up around then.
okay,
And then the second day when you do the 3 shot and then you write the story and you submit it, and then there is the personal interaction with the faculty uh, from FTI and the external faculty that I was talking about before. that might take a little bit of time. So if there are 30 people, the and that interaction in itself, that is lengthy.
So
So
can you just talk about little more detail about this interaction in which are the student would be interacting in a group of five with the faculty, then another five would come, or is it just a group of all 30, 40 students who are there, they are there, and then the interaction would start?
no, it's individual, completely individual. One person goes, yeah, so they do all 30 people, which
Okay.
is why it takes time. So on the second day, it might even take up to 2 a.m. in the morning
Oh,
for things to wrap up, if someone is literally that far ahead of the line, because each and every person who's going inside to meet with the HOD and meet with the external faculty, there is no one umbrella under which any of this could be sufficed. But
correct.
at least 30 minutes is the name of the
Time.
game. At least 30 minutes
Okay.
that interaction.
Okay. So this 30-minute, everybody get the time to interact. So that is the only one interaction which happens with the panel of 4 to 5 people during these
Yeah,
3 days of exercise in which you are interacting and writing and all that, right?
yeah, definitely.
And fourth day is the final interview.
And the final interviews begin. So that depends again on the faculty that comes. I
Correct.
remember Mr. Bulky wrapped and the entire 30 people up in one day itself.
Okay.
So people had one day of joy and fun at FTI.
Okay. So also there is a screening program in the evening at 6 o'clock. So was you
Yeah.
supposed to attend that screening, and was there any question answer session with the film which you saw previous day?
Uh, by the time every single person was going in for the interview, so everyone has to sit around. No,
Correct.
everyone has to sit around. So we were being shown uh, diploma films after diploma films, and we started with everything under the sun.
True.
And I think a lot of us were introduced then and there to a lot of filmmakers that we've never heard about,
True.
and that was a little mind opening experience, because I remember specifically seeing Kramasha for the first time at the time we were sitting around waiting for a chance to come,
Correct.
and we were shown Kramasha by Amit Datta, which is his
True.
film that he did for a cinematographer at FTI.
Correct.
And all of us were like, half of the people were open mouthed, thinking all they thought about cinema was it's being told stories and it's how you tell stories, it's how you build narrative. And then Kramasha itself is
Something else.
is that postmodern imagist interpretation of what stories mean to be.
Correct.
So yeah, it was very, very fun. I mean, anyone who's going down to that path is going to have a lot of fun.
Sure.
And regarding the general screening, I don't suppose we got free within the time to attend the general screening. Also, the thing with general screening is that they recognize you by either your FTI card or you go there every day. So that was one portion, and not everyone was introduced to it. I think other than the Pune people who were there
True.
and the people who knew and had been around FTI. So not everyone, I think, supposedly went to the general screening, but I think some of them did. From not all of them, but yeah, some of them did, and that was an introduction to what general screening is.
Sure. So in your specific case, when you was interacting with the faculty for 30 minutes, so if you could recollect and talk about what were the interaction, it would be helpful.
So yeah, the faculty talks about it's the same. It's like a very rigorous pep talk for the interview that you're going to have the next day, and it's the most rigorous one you've ever done, because I suppose they know everything by that point of time about you. They've read so much about you through your writing, of course, not
True.
about you as per se, but about how you write, about how you think, about how you are visually and orally, and in the creative sense. So it's very, very rigorous, because the minute you step into it, the short story that you're supposed to write has been read. So the nitpicking of each and every sentence of what you think, what images you create in the short story, how you explain the narrative is completely, done to the last thread of that story, of that particular story that you've written.
Correct.
So if you think that you can get away with something within the story, then that might be just godly intervention, deus machina, as we say it. That's not possible, because they're not going to quit on that. You have to be very sure about what you write. You have to be very peculiar about what you think, what you explain within the story. And
So
then there is, of course, within that parameter. So when they start talking about this, they start talking about the story, then they start talking about your background and how the story comes to you and what you have done before, and how your connection to cinema is, how important cinema to you is. So
so
that is the entire.
primarily in that 30-minute, it begins with what you have written. They mainly talk
Yeah,
about that, and through that they could ask anything connected with your background or any idea how the,
yeah,
so the whole discussion of that 30-minute is around the what you have written.
yeah. And it's a lot of things. I mean, it's not just about what you've written, but what you've written brings out what there is
Wow.
within your being. So, and when that starts coming out, and then they start pointing out what to say, what not to say, and how you interact with a faculty there, then and there it becomes very clear to you if you're not ready for it,
Okay.
ready for the next 3 years of immersing yourself into a medium that is probably going to leave you wanting more. And that sense of never being fully, I mean, it's more coming from my brain rather than I think someone else's interpretation. But there is this fact, because I remember a lot of people go inside and come out feeling a lot more unsure about themselves, because they have been asked very, very difficult questions then and there, which even they did not think about before entering the institute or giving the orientation and anything in that line. So if you're even 1% unsure about whether or not you should be here, they'd pick it up. They pretty much make sure you'd know that you're unsure about coming here, because
Correct.
this is unsurety is something that cannot work at point of time. I suppose Ankita told you in that one
Yeah.
interview that you cannot lie.
You
This is
can't,
something you
they know.
cannot lie.
Correct.
No, you can't lie at all, because
They're much
at
more.
the end of the day, so it I mean, the more you understand, and of course you're a direction student from FTI itself, sir, so you'd know that it's
So
like,
I specialize in cinematography, but later on,
oh,
after I shifted after working 12 years in Bombay as a cinematographer, then I shifted to the direction. But
oh,
I have many friends from direction.
no, of course, no, even you are a director, sir.
Of
If
course.
you've done the you do the job, you realize how much it goes. So
Correct.
it's about that thing, no, that जब आप वहां पे हैं तो आपको समझ आता है कि अगर कोई आदमी मसाला बनाता है ना,
True.
गरम मसाला बनाता है, वो कैसे बनाता है, उससे समझ होती है
True.
कि कितनी मात्रा में क्या जाए ताकि वो गरम मसाला कड़वा ना हो या भीना ना हो या महका ना हो या सड़ ना जाए।
True.
तो एक डायरेक्टर का काम मसाले बनाने जैसा ही है ना,
True.
कि हमें
Also,
मात्रा पता है।
sure. Also, I wanted to know, because after the interaction is over, everybody is curious. What did faculty interacted with you once you are out from the 30-minute domain space, and then interaction with others? So do you remember that any of the student who was also given the chance in the final list, who was not very well aware about, say, for example, cinema and big names like Antonioni, Bergman, Tarkovsky, etc., but he was a simple guy, and he also got it.
uh,
Simple
you're
guy,
putting me in a
but
tough
intelligent
spot
guy.
here.
Don't mention the name,
Oh,
because it will help many people, because many people do not know. I mean, I didn't know before I went to FTI that who's Akira Kurosawa. But then mine was a cinematography course and I have done the photography. So I had a edge over many more people. But if you're coming for a direction, I mean, a friend of mine made a joke about me when he asked, there was a question about Kurosawa's film. So I said, what Sawa? He said, which course you're going to FTI? I said, cinematography. So he says, that's fine. So it is expected. But do you remember that any student who was not very well versed with these kind of big names or seen the world cinema, let me put it this way, but he was an intelligent man and he also got an opportunity?
I'm not sure if there were a lot of people who would see. There is this difference, of course. I mean, I realized this after being at this place for so long. Is that if people don't really know what a lot about what world cinema comprises of, they do know, they do understand a lot about cinemas from their regions. So I suppose if someone is from Assam, for example,
Correct.
they might not know who Tarkovsky is, who Romer is,
True.
who Bergman is. They might not know, but they'd be pretty sure about the cultural history of the cinema of their regions in itself.
True.
So I don't remember anyone who did not know, or even this conversation popping up about, oh, tumko ye nahi malum, because this was not the general attitude of the environment there. Because
Correct.
see, this is something I realized even there. A lot of people that I've never been introduced to, I got introduced to at FTI, and I
Okay.
used to pride myself on knowing cinema. It completely shattered my illusion the first day I was at the institute,
Okay.
because I did not know. I, of course, did not know. And so, a lot of these experimental filmmakers that you're introduced to, the entire films that you can watch, and entire genres of cinema that you've never seen, you'd be introduced to in a place like FTI. So, yeah, so this attitude was dismantled, I think, the first day we were there. No
Okay.
one was pointing out कि अरे तुम्हें ये नहीं मालूम, क्योंकि सब कुछ किसी को
They
कुछ
was
नहीं
just
मालूम
they
था
were
about
just
cinema.
checking. So, in a nutshell, if you need to sum up the whole orientation program, then what exactly the faculty, the guest faculty, and the other experts are looking into the candidate? If you need to sum up that, maybe in a two minutes time or 3 minutes time.
Sure, sir. To begin with, I'd just say that all of the things that I've said are my personal experience. So I will not, put it under an umbrella and say कि ये कर लो तो हो जाएगा सब कुछ
True,
ठीक, because वो नहीं होगा.
true,
It's at the end of the day, it's about you, what you think, what you suppose. But if I had to put it, everyone that I've met by this time by this point of time at FTI, who
sure,
have gotten in and have a very acute understanding of what images are, what sounds are, and how cinema works within as a medium of storytelling, as a medium of evocation, as a medium of regeneration, as a medium of change, as a medium of revolution. So that importance of cinema in itself, I have never seen a person not liking a film. I've never seen a person criticizing a film at this point of time in juncture 1 year into the institute. And
sure.
that is something that I suppose they're looking in for you. How much do you love the medium? How much are you passionate about the medium? If you're ready to immerse yourself 3.5, whatever diploma for your technically masters, and completely immersing yourself into a medium that will give you so much if you actually really focus on it. So I think that is it. I mean, you can be one of the smartest person on the planet, but if you don't understand what images and sounds can do, and what the history has done, what history of cinema is, not I'm not saying everyone must know, but even if a person from Bihar
Sure.
is very very much passionate about the history of Bhojpuri cinema. He's seen a lot of Bhojpuri films. I
True.
suppose that is a good starting point, and no one can refuse you an admission to FTI or an admission to any film school for that matter of fact, if
Sure.
you know and you love the medium of cinema.
Correct. So it was really wonderful talking to you. And because in past 10 days, people were really requesting me to find out someone from FTI. So I requested one or two friends to connect with someone. And it's great to talk to you. And I'm sure that at least during these 30 minutes, I could gather as a, even if I'm going to first time as a, in the orientation program, it would definitely give me certain tips. And you talked about your experience, of course, and that is what counts. So thank you so much and have a nice day.